Hey there, friends. I've been showing you how to make helmet bottle openers. I'm going to show you how to make one with the University of Michigan's logo on it. Now, it's kind of tricky. You go to Google, you do a search, and you need to find one that has two colors. This one will not work because there are not two colors. This one will be great, but what you're going to get is the blue outline. So I wanted this one where it ended up being like a cutout. Once you've downloaded your image, you just right click on it and choose Save Image As. Put them somewhere you can find them. Then go to Online Convert, and we want to convert to SVG. So you just choose Convert to SVG. Choose your file. I've already converted these. I'll convert this one just to show you how it works. Make sure you tell it monochrome because you want to import a file that only has one color and then convert it. When it completes, save it where you can find them and then head to Tinkercad. In Tinkercad, you want to import and you want to choose a file, and we're doing the SVGs. I'm going to bring in U of M4, and then I want them to be small. I'm going to only go 30 by 30. It converts for me and then brings it in. Now, of course, this is not Michigan's logo, but check this out. I'm going to go top view, pan that over. If you drop a box in here and stretch it out so it fits inside the area, I want it to be not quite to the edge, so I'm going to back it up just a little. I need it to be a Michigan color, so I'm going to make it the lovely yellow. And I want to change it so it's only 2 millimeters thick. Now when I group these two items, I have got an awesome cutout of that Michigan logo. It wasn't low enough. I'm going to ungroup it. And I forgot to make it a hole. And now I'm going to group those two. And boom, I've got the awesome Michigan logo. So that's one way to get it. Real quickly, let's import that other one. You can see the lines here, so I'm looking for the SVG, which shows up as a Chrome document. I'm going to do the same thing and make it 30. And this one will be a little different because it's rectangular. So I'm going to see what happens if I make this number 30. When I import this one, it already looks kind of nifty, except for the pink color. Let's switch that to a maize or a blue. I'm going to go down to the 2 millimeters. So I've got two different logos, but let's see if we can get the Wolverine helmet logo. So when we search Michigan helmet logo, check it out. This is going to give us the exact opposite. So we could pick any of these. I'm going to try this one. Let's do save image. I can work with the helmet. Go back to our conversion. We're going to start a new one. Let's choose that file. Monochrome. Convert. And save that file. Back to Tinkercad, import, choose that file, and let's see what we get when we bring in that file. Notice it wants us to make it small, and we do want to make it small. We're going to try 40, it adjusts the other, and let's import it. And we already know how this trick works. Make it a hole, bring in a cube, stretch it out. I'm going to change the height to 2 millimeters because I know I'm going to cut out a 2 millimeter chunk. Need to have that be yellow, cannot handle it being red. Group it. And we want to make this a hole and come over to our awesome helmet and raise it up to the top. and then put it where we want it. Now the nice thing is we can stretch this out to get the exact look we're looking for. Do Control D to duplicate it because we want one above and one below. And we can sink them in as far as 2 millimeters. So I'm going to get it so it's just barely poking out and just barely poking out. Let's group our Michigan logo. I think everybody on the planet will know what that is. Let's grab just the hole and the helmet, and let's group those. And then that leaves us the penny and the helmet, and let's group those. Now let's change that helmet to a lovely shade of blue, and you have just created your own Michigan helmet penny bottle opener. If you want to be real fancy, you could print the other piece in yellow and stick it inside there so you had both colors. Congratulations, and I hope you had fun. Use this skill, see what else you can make.